Today's Unbox and Swatch is going to be the Daniel Smith Colors of Inspiration set of 6 hand-poured watercolor half pans. This is a fun-looking set. It has several different violet type shades, rose of ultramarine, shadow violet, wisteria. We've got a serpentine genuine, lavender, and moon glow. So some of those color names you might not be familiar with, but you can always look up the pigment numbers that are associated with these color names so that you can get a better idea of what those colors are made from. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, these are hand-poured watercolors, so if you're used to a mass-made watercolor set, you might be used to seeing a very uniform-looking product where each half pan is the same size and shape. That is not necessarily the case for a hand-poured color, especially a company that's not adding fillers to make it look that way. They actually have some literature directly on the box that talks about how you're going to get the same volume and density regardless of its final shape because they're not adding those fillers. So if you are seeing a set that looks completely uniform, fillers are most likely being added to get it to be that uniform appearance. You also have some paperwork that is included, color chart of all of their colors in their Ultimate Mixing Palette set. You also have this area here which focuses on their hand pouring process. So let's see how the pans look. We'll take this little card off. The set is very small and does not take up a lot of space. I like that, especially if I'm traveling. Really nice colors. I'm sure they'll look even nicer when we swatch them. You'll see that there are 9 empty pans. Now these are empty pans. This is not just a empty box. There are actual pans that you can fill so that if you want to turn this into a travel set, you can simply add the tube colors that you want to the empty 9 and you have a 15 color mixing set. So that's really great. So if you've never worked with Daniel Smith, and I've been doing a lot of these unbox and swatch videos, you'll notice that they have a little tack to them, which is really nice. It's part of how the water kind of picks up the color very quickly. So that's really great stuff. And if you haven't seen our others, please be sure to subscribe to the Jerry's Artarama YouTube channel to see future unbox and swatch videos. So let us swatch them. So really beautiful colors. I can definitely see where they're drawing their inspiration from with these. When it comes to these travel sets, one of the things that I mentioned earlier, but especially when you're traveling, if you're going to be doing art on the go, these 6 colors might not be enough. So because of these empty half pans, you can fill them with whatever colors you're comfortable using and have this nice little pop of these 6 inspiration colors. We created 2 kits, and all you have to do is click the links to order them. which are great for travel, a minimalist traveler. So you have one of these Daniel Smith Colors of Inspiration half pan sets. We also have the Reflections Aqua Journal. It's a really nice bound book, cold press paper with a pocket in the back to collect anything that you might have saved along the way. And then I like to add these super black permanent pens. This is a set of 6. They're lettering and calligraphy, but they do a really great job for urban sketchers because of the dynamic points you can get with so few pens. And then we're going to do 2 different versions. One is going to have this Aquastroke Go, a great little water brush that you can add to your kit that is very functional. You empty it out and you can bring this on a plane, no problem. And then we'll also do one where we include the Mimic Kolinsky travel brush set. Now this is for the ultimate in travel brush luxury, I would say, but also performance. This is a really beautiful set of 4 travel brushes. Comes in this nice leatherette case with a magnetic clip. 4, 6, 8, and 12. These are very well made. You'll see that there's a definite precision to their manufacturing. They're not loose. It's not going to come off. It sits well and balanced in your hand. The hair is one of the most superior synthetics I've ever worked with. In fact, Mimic Kolinsky is my personal brush of choice. It's what I use. And we just take these 4 brushes and it all fits together nice and compact, and you can do art on the go. So this was the Colors of Inspiration set of 6 from Daniel Smith. Really beautiful colors. Hope you enjoyed.